Children, open page number 71 in your maths classwork book. We are going to write number name 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. From the first red line, make a small curve, go down straight, stop at the second blue line and then a slipping line on first blue line. F. I, standing line and a dot. I. Again for F, make a small curve, go down straight, stop and then a slipping line on the first blue line. For T, leave little space, go down straight, make a curve, then a slipping line, T. For E, slant line, go up and make a C curve. Again, slant line, go up, make a C curve, E. For N, go down, come up and a curve here, 15. We are going to write it once again here. F I F T E E N 15. F I F T E E N 15. We are going to write here F I F T E E N 15. Children, you are going to complete the whole page now.